Have you ever been given a message over and over and you fail to heed it, you ignore it, and then you have a problem? It may be that for several days in a row your car just seems to take a little bit more energy to kick over. It's slightly slower, and then suddenly a week later you've got a flat battery, wondering how on earth did that happen? Well, you see, there were messages there. There were whispers from your car saying do something. We have these in our body and in our minds all the time. They're just little signals. What is that kind of weird feeling I have in my left foot? I don't know, it'll just go away. Especially if you're a man, you'll just ignore it. Have a listen to those messages that you get in your body, and have a listen to the messages you get in your mind. And I'm not talking about little voices in the background. It's feelings. It's feelings that are often connected to the body. If you find yourself, being startled more easily than usual, if you find yourself being more reactive, feeling more stressed, feeling like you're not coping quite as well as you used to, these are messages. The sooner you pay attention to these messages and get whatever form of help you need, the better you're going to be. As I shoot this, we are in the midst of the global pandemic, and a lot of people are getting messages, and I'm hearing things like many more parents of school-aged children in Australia are drinking more because they're having to school their kids at home. There's a message in there. There's a message that something's not working. And I can tell you from all these years in clinic that there are several things that don't help the message. Alcohol, drugs, cigarettes, domestic violence, just getting angry. None of these things help. But there are messages there. So I say to you, what messages are you receiving? And what do you need to do about it today to help yourself, to reset your nervous system, or maybe even renovate your nervous system so that you can get back on track, so that you can start to feel good, to feel the way you want to, or at the very least, you can find a way to manage through very difficult times. The COVID-19 has created great health and financial challenges around the world. In some places, the challenges are just, the scale is so big, it's distressing. Listen to your messages. Listen to those whispers in your body, in your mind, and take action. You can go to iannewton.com for more information about how you can get your nervous system back on track. Thank you.